Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. God knows where I am today. I think I'm in Benidorm, but I mean, look at how bloody dead it is. Like, I know it's a bit overcast, but I mean, I thought there'd be more people on the beach. I mean, it always seems like no matter how shit the weather gets, you can guarantee one thing: the beach will be even. But I mean, bit bloody cloudy today, and hardly know I'm on it. Well, you sod off, you annoying twat. Everyone else does it. Anyway, I'm not sure what's going on in Benidorm today, to be fair. It seemed a bit genuinely quiet. Maybe people's gone home. For cafe, chocolate place. I don't even know what they call the place, but I mean, it's dead. Funnily enough. Think people's finally getting onto my point of why would you come off the beach and go, oh, right now, I'll go for a hot chocolate. I mean, maybe you would. Maybe, like, you're a bit nutty. Anyway, yeah, you like hot chocolate, but you're not going to come off the beach after sunbathing all day and go for one, are you?
So you're saying I'm nutty?
No.
Oh.
Anyway, before I was interrupted by the old sod, what was I going to say? Oh yeah, as for the costume, yeah, can't seem to get it, funnily enough. Thought Joke Shop would be able to order it in. Apparently no such costume exists in the books they got. I mean, yeah, weird, but I guess I'll rethink it. I mean, could always dress up as a turd. Not really the best option. I was sort of considering a gorilla, but then it's like, if it's boiling hot, which I mean, by my looks been probably be the only fancy dress siesta with hot weather. So I mean, yeah, you can imagine walking around in a big gorilla costume all day in boiling hot sun. Yeah, not really the best of ideas. So yeah. And that is a well-known fact, to be fair. No friendly fancy dress fiesta. Most unpredictable day for weather. Tiki City finally busy again. I mean, not like it used to be, but still they've got people in. And of course, next door is Cayman Beach. Someone shouting at us. Oh. I think. Pause you there, I've got some fun. Anyway, as I was saying, guys, Cayman Beach there. Never been in there, but I've been told good prices on your drinks. Good drinks as well. Apparently not watered down like most bars, so yeah. I'd like to see if that's still happening, like where the bars are still watering down your booze. Hope not, because I mean, Christmas coming up, you got November fiesta's coming up. Lots of people as well coming over. I mean, we've got numerous fans coming over within the next few weeks and next few months. And well, kind of hard to remember who is actually coming over and when. Like, friend of ours, Dino, part of the Geordie gang, he's over tomorrow, I believe. Yeah, over tomorrow with the Burns, however you say that. Burns or Barnes?
The kids.
Burns.
Burns.
I'm going to need to get Jamie to teach me Geordie. Top notch as well. He's over next week, I think. Next Tuesday, I think.
Few people coming in the weekend as well.
Yeah, a few people coming in the weekend. Few people wanting to go for drinks. Few people bringing us some gifts over as well. So let's see what they are. I mean, I know last time Top Notch were over round Easter time. Got a Cadbury's Marvellous Creations egg. Absolutely gorgeous. You got the Les Jones sweets there. I believe they're like your apart hotels. If that's going to go up. Yeah. I'd imagine that'll be 20 floors, wouldn't it?
Okay.
Yeah, just a guess then, 20 floors for that. Anyway, on top of having fans coming over in the week and weekend, I think we've got tons of them already over here. I mean, just met some fans earlier that recognised us. Our granddaughter recognised us, had a picture with us last year. I mean, I sort of remember meeting them last year, but you meet so many people, like you get names mixed up and all that. Think a mate of ours, Eric, is over here as well, staying up by us. So that should be interesting. In other words, basically next few weeks are going to be pretty crazy. Well, very soon it'll be November. Fancy dress fiestas, and of course the legend himself, the man who knows how to party, might be back. Not saying for definite, just fingers crossed, because I mean, if he does come over, then it's gonna be one hell of a day. I mean, constant drinking, constant arsing about. I mean, yeah, gonna be fun. Anyway, hit the like, guys, hit subscribe. See you in the next one.